Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about Elon Musk's new obsession over a new token. So basically, I have avoided making a video on this coin for a very long time, but it became inevitable even for me after his latest tweets. Now this video might get age restricted, but let's do this nevertheless. So Elon basically came up with two successive tweets about cum rockets in the past 2 days. He first tweeted about it yesterday, as is visible on the screen right now. So he basically hinted at buying this coin in this cryptic tweet, which states Canada, USA, Mexico. You just have to focus on the initials and you'll find out what I'm talking about. Now, today he pulled off another one of his classic to the moon tweets, which he usually does with almost every coin he lays his eyes on. Now the second tweet is also cryptic and he has used certain emojis to make his point. Come rocket to the moon is basically the essence of this tweet. The coin went mad crazy and rallied more than 250% less than 5 hours ago. So his tweets have worked. So what is this token basically? Let's find out together. This token can be termed as the world's first NSFW cryptocurrency. It describes itself as the deflationary DeFi token disrupting the adult industry. It says so on its website. Now it gained popularity when our very own Johnny Sins hailed it as the OnlyFans of the crypto industry. I will quickly show you guys the partners of this coin, just a very quick glance. And please try holding your horses if you can. I request you to do so. Yes, the creators have done some job with this coin. I mean, fair play to them. Okay, let me explain this to you in easy terms. I'm assuming all of you visit the age-restricted websites with 18 plus content very frequently. Now, please don't come running after me in the comment box if you don't. It is just an assumption to make my point heard in this video. Okay, so all of us want to be untraced when visiting these 18 plus websites, right? But the payment for the subscription of these websites is done via credit card and other forms of internet banking. So this is the one place where it is difficult to remain anonymous. Your personal details are compromised to a certain extent when you pay using your credit card or other forms of internet banking. But lately, cryptocurrency has started being seen as an alternative. People are buying lots of NFTs by adult creators because it suits their need of privacy. Now, recently, lots of OnlyFans creators have also started accepting cryptocurrency as payment and Cummies, which is the token we are talking about, as tip. It is also beneficial for these creators because they can hold these crypto tokens and not depend on their personalized content sale for a while and sell them when the time is right. So basically they can accept cryptocurrency as payment, so they can sell it at high prices when the prices go for a hike, and they will not have to depend on the content they're making from that point onwards. So it is a better investment than fiat currency for sure. Now Cum Rocket is on the Binance Smart Chain, meaning there is no gas fees and almost instantaneous swap is available. 2.5% of every transaction goes back to the holders and 2.5% is burned forever, meaning the supply becomes more and more scarce with every transaction of the Cummy Rocket. As seen on Benzinga, HBO, Hypebeast and Barstool Sports, this DeFi token is disrupting the $12 billion adult industry for sure. Now this video isn't a financial advice and this coin is not even a pump and dump token. So you can do whatever you wish to do with this coin. I have nothing to say about that. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe.